thank you so much for coming to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my November Boxycharm. This year's almost over. That's crazy. Like, what, this year's flown by, but at the same time it feels like it's been a million years long. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in this month's Boxycharm, let's get into the video. So let's open my box. And this card, that's very cute. It has like, it says harvest and it's like pumpkins and pine cones and cute stuff. So the first thing I see is this, Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. That looks nice. This is normally $40. So that's inexpensive stuff. Does it have a smell? Oh, that just like a nice, really, really light, refreshing scent. I love Dr. Brandt stuff. Like, I love, love, love. And it's really pricey. So I love getting their products in boxes as long as it's not the microdermabrasion like scrub, because I've gotten like 10 of those in boxes. So I'm glad that they're choosing other products. Thank you, Dr. Brandt, for putting other products in these subscription boxes. Can I talk? Because I really enjoy your brand, but I don't need to scrub my face every day with the same stuff. So excited to try that spray toner. It says it's packed with antioxidant rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. So that sounds really nice. I'm really excited about that. All right, the next thing is this half-caked Game Changer 3 lip fondants. So that's really cute. They have a like card theme, plus their brand is like cake themed, I guess, because there's sprinkles and it's lip fondant, which fondant's for cake. So it's interesting. I haven't heard of this brand before. So these are normally $32 for this set. That looks nice. It looks really cute. They have like, it looks like icing drips with sprinkles. Very cute. I love that. So these are liquid lipsticks that go on with a feather-light texture and dry completely matte. It says for best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. Yes. So that looks really nice. They're a little more, like, I wish they were a little more like light and nude, but you know, they're very pretty colors, very appropriate for fall and winter. So yeah, I'm gonna love trying this out. Ooh. Yes, they smell like a vanilla cupcake. Okay, yes. I'm not going to try one on right now because I have like a lighter lip going on, but they look really pretty. Hopefully the formula is really nice. And yeah, they just smell really good. So, oh, the shades are, let's see, 82 Bordeaux, Low Key, and Theme Song. So those are cute. I love that it's a set of 3 too. All right, the next thing are some brushes. These are the Moda Ultimate Eye Sculptures. It says define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes, specifically designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity, and this is normally $15. That's a good price for these, for 2 eye brushes. I love this brand. Moda, or I don't know what the Moda is, but it's Royal and Langnickel, and I love their brushes. So I think Moda is like the certain collection, but those are really pretty. This is just a nice big fluffy brush. This one's like a triangle. I have never seen, I don't know if you guys can even see that. Weird. I'm gonna have to try that out because I feel like that might be good for the outer corner to kind of stamp color where you want it and blend it out slightly, but I've never seen a triangle brush, so that's cool. but I know I will love these because this is just a good brand. Next, I have the Jouer Essentials Lip Enhancer. It says infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. I think I have one of these from, like, I bought like a little lip essentials kit or something from Sephora, and I think that was in there. Just feels like a really nice, like, glossy, hydrating balm kind of stuff. Doesn't really have a smell, so I always enjoy things like this just when I'm not really wearing much makeup and I need something on my lips and I can't find my usual lip gloss. I love things like this that don't have color because I don't really want to apply like a red lip gloss, but like I need more of things like this. So I'm glad this was in the box, and this is normally $17. And then the thing I'm most excited about in this box, which I don't really get the packaging, like why is it in this ugly brown box? They couldn't have, you know, given you the normal box. I don't know. This is a Natasha Denona palette. So this is the Peak palette. This is normally $48. $48 for 5 shadows. It looks really beautiful. Like this packaging, I don't know how, but it feels heavy. Like it's not just like your normal cheap packaging like this with the like plastic front and the colored back. It feels really heavy and expensive and like really well made and really good quality. It's got like a nice closure to it. I don't know. It feels really nice, first of all. So this says a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. So that's exciting. Let me swatch them all. Why not? All right. So like that just looks gorgeous, first of all. That one like didn't do much to my arm anyways. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it's a lighter shade because it's like if you put it on your, there we go. See, there's that one. So the first 4 are all matte. So pretty. Just like a nice brown. That one. And then this is the only shimmer. It's like a nice light shimmery like pink tone. Those look really pretty. Like it's like a vanilla pink, like not pink, or it kind of looks gold too. I don't know. So those shades are Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amhara, and Shine. So that looks really nice. And I love that the pan sizes are nice and big. Like it's not like a teeny tiny, like you can really get your brush in there. There's a lot of shadow in there. So that's really nice. I'm so excited about this. I would have paid the full $25. Is it $25 for Boxycharm? I think so. I think it's $25. I would have paid the full price just for this one thing. Like the whole box I would have paid, you know, but then I get all these other things. So that's really exciting. I really love this month's box. So let me know down below what you guys got. If you guys got different things, if you got the same, what you like, what you didn't like. Don't mind me. I'm just getting a baby wipe to clean this off because they're right there. All right, well, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do 3 videos a week, and I would love to have you part of my little YouTube fam. Also, make sure you ring the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.